Hi guys, welcome to Sparky Divas. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Maybelline White Super Fresh White Pure Firelight 12-hour Whitening Plus Perfecting Compact. It's a mouthful word. So I'm gonna review this product. This is the outer packaging in which compacts comes in, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's attractive combination of the colors like white and teal. It's a good combination of the colors. I really like this combination. It looks like so fresh. So I really like the combination, and there's also claims by the Maybelline that women feel their complexion looks and feels best in the morning. So right after applying compact. However, as the day goes on, ordinary compacts may mix with the sweat and oil, making complexion look dark and dull and patchy and feel cakey and dirty. So Firelight is a pure mineral with skin perfecting powers, very lightens complexion while absorbing sweat and oil. It also contains some UV filters. It's not the claim, I'm just reading out. It also contains some UV filters, and it also claims for the 12-hour fashion perfect. So that's the claim by the Maybelline, and it retails for 150 for the 8 gram of the product. I think it's a very good product for in this price range. It also has some UV rays which also protect your skin from sun rays, and this is what the actual packaging of the compact looks like. It comes in this white packaging, and this is how the packaging looks like. And when you open it, and it comes with a full size mirror also, and there's a powder puff which I have already used, and then there's a plastic wrap to separate the compact and puff. Then there's the pack. This is the product looks like, and it comes in the 3 shades. I have one shade with me, and it's in the shade Shell, and there are 2 more shades. This size of the mirror is perfect for retouch up and all. And coming to this sponge is really nice. It's very soft and gentle, and it also feels really gentle on my face as well. So I really find this very soft, and then the texture of this compact is also really nice. It gives me a smooth and satiny finish rather than a chalky and patchy. So I really like the finish of this compact, and it also gives me a slightly color, like it gives me slightly coverage. So I think it's a perfect for a daily basis. You can also wear this with your moisturizer if you want to have a slightly coverage. So it also really good in that. It also gives you mattify look. So I think it's a perfect for a daily basis, like who want to have a slightly coverage. So I'll just swatch it for you all guys on my back of the hand. So I hope you can see it. This is how they look it on my hand. This gives me a satiny finish, and it is not chalky. So I really find this good, and I usually apply this compact with my brush rather than this sponge, but I feel when I apply this compact with this sponge, it just concentrates on a certain area rather than spreading it all over face perfectly. So I prefer to use this with a brush rather than this. And if you are using this sponge with this compact, so you need to spread this compact evenly with this sponge so nicely, so that it will not concentrate on a certain area. So you might be careful to spreading this on all over your face. So I'm gonna show you a demo in which I'm gonna show you how mattify look it gives me. So I'm gonna show you right away. I have applied some oil, some baby oil on back of my hand. It approximately looks like when you have oil on your face, like when your face secretes some oil on your face. It also looks like the same. So I'm gonna show you how mattify looks it will give me with this sponge. I have took the powder on this part, and I'm just gonna apply it on my hand. and gonna take a little bit more. So as you can see that it gives me a perfect matte finish. As you can see that there is no any sort of any oil on back of my hand after applying this, and it absorbed all the oiliness and all the oil from my hand. So I think it's really justified the fact that it's a compact. This compact is also travel friendly. You can carry this in your bag. It won't break or anything, and the pricing wise is also nice. I think it's a very affordable and cheap. I can also justify with the fact that it's a compact. It gives you very satiny and very matte finish, and it also gives you a slightly coverage. So I think it also plus point for that. I highly recommend this product for you all guys. It's very nice product, and it stays for 3 to 4 hours, and the longevity of this product is approximately 3 to 4 hours, and after 3 to 4 hours you need to retouch up your compact. And the packaging is also sturdy, it's not flimsy, and overall this product is really good. The price it had offered, I think it's really good, and it's very affordable as well. So pretty much about this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. This is pretty much about this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any video requests or suggestion, you can comment below. I would love to read them. I will also link all my social media down below. You can go and follow me on all my social media. And I will also link all my previous video in the description box. You can go and check that out. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.